Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are answering a quick question. Can you crossplay on Xbox and stream at the same time using Rematch in 2025? Let's break it down. Yes, crossplay is supported on Xbox. So if your game allows it like Fortnite, Warzone or Rocket League, you can play with friends on another platforms. As for streaming through Rematch, here's how it works. Rematch lets you connect your Xbox gameplay using external capture or streaming tools. If you're using a capture card or Xbox Remote Play, you can stream your matches to platforms like Twitch or Rematch itself, depending on what the service allows. However, there is no direct streaming from the Xbox to Rematch yet, so you will need to use your PC or a connected streaming setup. So yes, you can crossplay on Xbox and stream on Rematch, but it's not a plug and play system. Make sure your setup includes a capture method like OBS, a PC, or a streaming bridge. If this quick guide helped, give it a like, leave a comment with your setup question, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.